Got nuts? Got citrus, stone fruit, or even vines or shrubs? Then Smart Apply is for you. Smart Apply's technology is transforming how specialty crop growers around the world are applying chemicals and capturing data for their overall growing operations. Smart Apply delivers value across a wide variety of crops in orchards, vineyards, and nurseries. Growers of all sizes are jumping on board to install the most innovative precision spray technology for high-value crops and are seeing significant cost savings and improved on-farm sustainability. Smart Apply is sold as a customized kit that is installed in your spraying system. It is compatible with almost every air blast and over-the-row sprayer, including the GUSS autonomous sprayers. Whether you are breathing new life into your existing sprayer or looking to upgrade to a brand new sprayer, Smart Apply transforms your equipment into a high-tech precision spraying system. At the heart of Smart Apply is LiDAR hardware, which is positioned at the front of the sprayer. Using this laser technology, scanning 270 degrees, the system collects 24,000 data points per second, day or night, to create a digital blueprint of your canopy. This data is processed in real time, and a signal is then sent through our control box to each individual nozzle on your sprayer. That signal then controls when the solenoids fire, ensuring every nozzle is applying chemical only on your canopy at the exact right place and time. Smart Apply doesn't just optimize spraying, it also captures valuable data. Inside the tractor cab, a tablet runs Smart Apply's software, gathering real-time information from the LiDAR and preset configurations. The tablet is set up to mirror the exact layout of your sprayer, ensuring seamless operation. As you spray, the system automatically maps out key data points, including acreage covered, tree counts, canopy volume, spray volumes applied, date and time logs, labor reports, tree and vine health insights, and more. All of this information is stored securely in our Smart Apply cloud, giving you instant access to both historical and real-time data whenever you connect to Wi-Fi. With Smart Apply's precision spraying, you can cut water and chemical costs by up to 73%. By only applying what's needed, exactly where it's needed, you eliminate overspray and reduce waste, helping you save money while maintaining healthy crops. Fewer trips to the shed to mix chemicals and refill sprayers mean less downtime and fewer labor hours spent spraying. This increased efficiency translates to real savings, with an average ROI in just 12 months. Some growers have reported a return on investment in as little as 4 months. Smart Apply isn't just about efficiency, it's about sustainability. By applying the right amount of chemicals exactly where they're needed, Smart Apply helps reduce water and chemical runoff by up to 93%, protecting soil, roots, and groundwater from contamination. Precision spraying also reduces airborne drift by up to 87%, keeping chemicals from spreading to nearby fields, forests, and waterways. This not only safeguards the environment, but also creates a healthier workplace by limiting chemical exposure for those working in orchards, vineyards, nurseries, and hop yards. With Smart Apply, you're not just improving your bottom line, you're investing in a smarter, more sustainable future for your farm. Set, spray, save, protect. Visit smartapply.com to learn more.